and welcome back to Jason's Macintosh Museum. This is part 2 in the video series on the Macintosh PowerBook Duo 250 from 1992. And in this video, we're going to start the 250 up and, as always, show a couple of old Macintosh games. So as you can see, the Duo 250 is basically ready to go. There's not much to connect, really. I've had to plug in the charger, only because the battery that's in here won't hold the charge currently, which is often the case with these older batteries. And so, to start it up, all we have to do is push the power button. So, let's start it up. Okay, well we now have the PowerBook Duo 250 up and running, so we'll have a quick look at the system software first. And on this Mac we're running the latest version that this system can run, macOS 7.6.1 with 12 megabytes of memory. Okay, well let's try the first game that we have, which is actually a game that I actually played back in the day, called Deja Vu II: Lost in Las Vegas. It's really a really a role-playing simulation, you could say, where you're a person who's literally lost in Las Vegas and you have to find your way out and do a lot of other things along the way. So let's try it. Now, actually, I played this, but I played it on a DOS PC, unfortunately. But the Macintosh version is almost identical, except on a Duo 250 there's no colour, it's all grayscale. So as you can see, we have the current location here, and message, actually let me close that dock bar, there we go. It's the current situation, so that's what we're doing at the moment. So we click to continue. This is the backstory of what happened prior to your current situation. Apparently you owe someone a lot of money, blah, 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 and you have 1 week to apparently find the money, otherwise you'll be in big trouble. So let's continue. Right, so I haven't played this in a very long time, but the idea is that you can interact with objects on the screen, or in the current scene. So for example, there's a bottle there, and if we examine that, it tells you what you're looking at. So there's a tap, and I wonder if I can see if I can consume that bottle. Nope, won't let me do that. And there's also a button called Self, which allows you to perform actions on yourself. So one of the things I used to do was actually, oh no, I didn't mean to hit the, I didn't mean to hit the glass. No, I meant to hit yourself. There we go. So let's hit the mirror while we're at it. Anyway, so let's get out of here. So this map over here shows where the current exits are located. Obviously there's a door in front of us, so we go. We have to open the door first. There we go. Now we go through here. Who's this? Oh, that's right. This is the guy who apparently wants wants his money. Yes, 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 go away. So now we're in the bedroom. Now, I think this, I believe, is a timetable for buses or trains. Let's examine, if I can remember correctly. I think it's a train schedule. So now I think, I'm not sure how you take that with you. I think if we say operate, schedule is now open. Examine. Here we go. So these are the... now, notice as well, this being an active matrix screen, notice how the corners are starting to darken. Not much I can do about that, unfortunately. It's just the way these active matrix screens are. So we go to New York City, St. Louis, Los Angeles, or Chicago. But I don't believe I have any money on me. What's that? That's something else I remember seeing. It's a cigar ring. Oh, well, let's... Now, I think if we say self on that, does that work? I think how we... So I'm not sure how we actually collect items as we go. Oh, who cares? Let's just go. If we go... Now, there's a door here, so... Go. Right, open the door first. Right, open the door. Open the door. Now we go. Now I think this takes us into the hallway. Right. Now let's get out of the hotel. So I think we have to operate the lift. Oops. Oh, not you again. Ah, I see. Right. Right, so let's see. I'm outside the building. Actually, I think I have to. Let me go back in. Hang on. Let's go back in. So I want to grab a few things from the room. Oh, I see. I'm not wearing anything. I think that might be the end of the game. Yep. I think that's the end. And I'm shot. There we go. Let's try that one more time. So I think first, yes, all right, yes, continue. So now I think if I do consume, maybe? I need to work out how to... Right. That's interesting. I need to figure this out. I'll be right back. Okay, I think I figured it out now. This window here doesn't mean invent, it actually means inventory. So I believe if I take that and that, now I should be able to... Let's see if that works. No. Operate. There we go. You were now... Right, so that we've sorted that problem out. Now I think if I open this, it will show me what's... Aha, there's my cigarettes. Well, I think we'll save them for later, I think. And I believe in here we have a wallet. And a key. Good. Right. Now we can continue. So we'll go... We'll open the door. Oh, shut up. I've seen you before. And this time I'll take that. And I'll take that. It's been a long time since I played this game. What's in the... of course, the Bible in the drawer. I think that's all we need for this. So we'll open that door. And go. Okay, so now, can we take the lift? Aha! There we go. Go. Now, let's see. Let's go to... Oh. I'm already on the ground floor. Ah, it's on level 4. Looks pretty... Yeah, I think I probably need to leave the hotel at this point. So we'll go, I presume the lift is behind me. There we go, we'll go back here. See, the screen's getting quite bad now. It's almost... Oh, that is getting bad. But the problem is with these active matrix screens, the longer you leave them on, the worse they get. Which is a bit of a shame. But notice how it's actually reversing the image. It's actually going into whoops. Oh, music on that. Huh. Oh, whatever. Now, let's go out. So, go out. You can't go through the... okay, then we have to open it. Let's open... Ah, I may have to go through here. Lobby. Oh, that takes me back there. So I think we'll go back... Okay, now we're outside, so we'll go this way. Desert. Okay, that doesn't do me any good. We'll go this way. The train station. Ah, now I have a train schedule, so let's go in here. Let's see. Where do I need to go? Oh, what the hell? Let's take the train. Ooh, oh. I have to get some money, do I? Hang on. I'll get you some money. Oh. Hang on. I've got to get some... Oh. Now, can I just drag it on? Oh. I was going to pay him. Oh, that's not good. Right. How much have I got? $1. What's this? $1. That's all I've got. Great. Okay, I remember at this point you have to get some more money, but I don't remember how I did it. Again, it has been a long time since I've played this game. Unfortunately, that screen is looking worse and worse. Let's see how far we can go. Let's go. No. You've been run over by a train. Right. Oops. Well, how come it shows it as an exit? Whoops. I think I'm dead. Yeah. Okay, I think that's enough of that. Let's try the next game. Okay, well the next game we're going to try is called Ferrari GP, and hopefully we can play it before the screen dies completely. Hopefully there'll be enough of a view on here because the screen's getting quite bad at this point. Okay, so to play this, you have to use both the keyboard and the mouse. So the mouse is used for steering, and I change gears with the keyboard. So that's first gear, second. Whoa, I can't even see the track. Whoa. 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 It's hard using the trackball for this. Oh, I'm off the track. Oh, I just crashed. Up. Whoa. I'm probably not going very fast. Whoops! This is very hard to do with a trackball. Ah, where am I going? Whoa! At least I can see the middle of the screen. Even though that I can see the middle of the screen, the contrast is still quite poor. Whoa! Whoops! Oh! Oh! Where did you come from? Get out of my way! Whoop! Oh, I haven't worked out where the brake is yet. I've got to stay in this gear. Whoa! Oh! Whoops! Ah! This trackball makes it so hard. Whoops! Oh boy, am I bad at this? Whoops! Oh! Ah! Did I just drive straight through? Hey! Up! Whoops. Oh, it's hard to get the steering centered. Oh! Whoa, whoa. Whoops. I'll try downshifting, I think. Oh, it's hard to get the steering straight. Ah! Up, And I'm off the track again. Whoa, it's so touchy. Whoops! Oh, turn! I can start in fifth. There we go. Oh, but that was a bad idea. Whoops. Whoa. I think I'll stay in this gear, doing all of, 99 miles an hour? Whoops. Ah. Oh, nearly. Oops. Ah. Oops, I just hit the pit lane, did I? So we'll pull in the pits next time and see if... Whoa! Uh-oh. Oh, you're going too fast. Slow down for the corners. There you go. That's the way. Yes, we've got a pit lane. Oh, I just drove through all the cars. Okay, I think that's enough. Now, how do I... As the engine just sits there and revs its head off, how do I quit? I'm just pressing every key now. Oh, that did something. You can see how bad the screen is now. I can barely read the Apple menu. Quit. Without saving. Yes. So as you can see, after about maybe half an hour of being powered on, the screen is almost impossible to use. As you can see in the corners, it's completely reversed the image, and you've only probably got the center, center third of the screen that is usable. But that's how these displays are. So that's probably all we can do for now. So I think we'll shut down. So that was a demonstration of the Macintosh PowerBook Duo 250 from 1992. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.